Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on TD Bank. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you'll want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in td.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of TD Bank. Now, in order to log in, just select your account type, whether personal, small business, commercial, or investing. After clicking on your account, you will be redirected to the login page. Now you can just click on the login button and enter your credentials to log into your account. Just go ahead and type in your username, followed by your password. Then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your TD Bank account. In case you forgot your username or your password, you can click on Forgot Username or Password button underneath the login box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on TD Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.